Once upon a time, in West Sumatra, there lived a poor widow and her only son named Malin Kundang. They lived in poverty, and Malin's mother worked very hard to earn money by selling cakes in the market. Malin was a good boy. He always helped his mother, and he grew up to be smart and strong. Still, life was hard, and they remained poor. One day, a large ship arrived at the village. On it were rich merchants, dressed in fine clothes. Malin watched them with admiration and dreamed of living a better life like them. He went to his mother and said, "Mother, please let me go to the city. I want to change our fate." His mother was sad and afraid of losing him, but Malin insisted. Finally, with tears in her eyes, she agreed and said, "Don't forget me, my son." Malin promised her, then boarded the ship, and sailed away. Malin worked very hard on the ship. He learned about trading, and over time, he became successful. Years passed, and Malin grew rich. He married a beautiful woman, the daughter of a nobleman, and lived happily in the city. But with all his wealth, Malin forgot about his mother in the village. One day, Malin's grand ship anchored near his old village. The villagers were amazed by its size and luxury. They spread the news quickly, saying, "Malin has returned." When his mother heard this, her heart filled with joy. She hurried to the harbor, longing to meet her beloved son. At the harbor, she saw Malin standing proudly beside his beautiful wife. She called out with all her heart, "Malin, my son." Malin was shocked. He recognized the old woman as his mother, but she looked poor, weak, and dirty. Malin felt ashamed. His wife asked, "Who is that old woman?" Malin coldly replied, "She is nobody." His mother's heart broke. Tears streamed down her face as she said, "Malin, I am your mother." But Malin denied her, shouting, "I don't know you." The villagers were shocked. They knew Malin was lying, and they pitied his poor mother. With a broken heart, the old woman raised her hands and prayed to God. "O God, punish this ungrateful son," she cried. Suddenly, the sky grew dark. Thunder roared, and giant waves struck Malin's ship. Malin tried to run, but he could not move. His body stiffened, and slowly, he turned into stone. His wife screamed in terror, and the villagers stood frozen, watching the curse take place. From that day on, a large rock stood near the sea, believed to be Malin Kundang. His mother returned home with sorrow and a broken heart. The villagers spoke of Malin's fate, and the story spread from place to place, teaching everyone a lesson. The legend of Malin Kundang reminds children to respect their parents. Wealth and success mean nothing without gratitude. Riches can disappear, but the love of a mother lasts forever. And so, the story of Malin Kundang lives on, never to be forgotten.